Third Eye has long been a pioneer in commercial vehicle camera systems, specialized safety hardware, and fleet technology, delivering innovation, reliability, and game-changing insights that drive safety, productivity, and profitability. Now, with the latest Third Eye enhancements, we're taking connected fleets into the future. Our new AI engine brings best-in-class partnerships that enable us to create powerful automation solutions. These solutions eliminate tedious manual tasks and processes, boosting uptime and ensuring the consistent capture of high-value data. You can also see clearer than ever with Third Eye now supporting up to 8K resolution and 60 frames per second for incredibly sharp, detailed visuals. Advanced H.265 compression maintains high video quality while minimizing file size, plus benefit from more storage with up to 2 terabytes of localized video stored on the Third Eye gateway. For the first time, fleets can not only comprehend the language their vehicles are speaking, but also take effective action based on the data transmitted across their bodies and chassis. Third Eye passively captures this data to help fleets streamline safety and driver education, positive service verification, contamination detection, vehicle health and maintenance, as well as asset tracking and compliance. All of this is part of Third Eye's most powerful solutions that are seamlessly integrated into your products to not only help you make better decisions faster, but also to let drivers do what they do best: drive.